Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Masego, and for those that are new here, welcome. For those that are coming back, thank you so much for your support. I know it's been a while, like I always say in my many videos. Guys, it's a little bit that I'm struggling with being consistent and I think from now on, if I show up, I'm showing up. If I'm not showing up, I'm not showing up. I know it's no excuse, but please just bear with me. Yeah. So I am about to make prepare dinner, but I'm not gonna take you guys through it. I think this is just a bit of like a catch up, for what's been happening. Life in your 30s sometimes can just reveal certain things to you. I'm in my quiet girl era at the moment, hence my quietness as well. So please forgive me. I've just been going through a lot, like a lot in life, about my life, about where I am, like what I've achieved, what have I not achieved as yet, and where I would like to be. Not that this is not the things that have been going in my mind in the past couple of years, but I think right now, in the stage that I'm in my life, I think it's something that I'm just constantly thinking about. And I know I'm not the only one. I know a lot of people, they're going through the same thing. We're all going through a lot. That I can say. We're all going through a lot. So guys, whoever who's watching this, be strong, hey, letana sharp. Just as letana sharp. So yeah. I'm gonna share a journey. I went to go, and so a lot has been happening around me, around the people in my life and stuff like that, and quite a lot of people around me and some people that are close to me have had some health scares. And I mean, also I've been seeing other people that I know of, that I don't know of, passing away. I've been also reflecting and on the number of family members I've also lost. So that has sort of made me want to embrace my life and live my life according to my own terms. So I just don't know what those terms are. So I've been trying to actually put them down for myself and people know what kind of life I want to live. And so other people around me have been having health scares, and myself, I think I did have a bit of a kind of health scare when I went for those vitality checks. So I decided to go and consult with a dietitian, because I've been trying to lose weight for I don't know how many years, for more than 3 years, and that impacted me. I think I started gaining weight in my honors years, when I was still in varsity, and trying to lose it has been a mission for me. I have been exercising. I did get trainers. I'm not saying those trainers didn't help, they did, but there's only so much I think one can do to help you trainer. And then it doesn't help if I get trained and then I consume sugar, cake, all these other foods, So I also tried doing my own meal plans, didn't work out. I've tried doing this one juice detoxing. I've done it I think twice. I've done it 3 times with 2 different friends, and I've also tried it again with family. So I've tried doing this one juice thing I think about 4 times, and I got to realize it did help, but I didn't get to achieve the goals that I wanted to achieve. So I thought that it's time that I visited a dietitian just so that, yeah, I get my life in check diet wise. So I consulted with my dietitian, and we did I had to go on the scale, and yeah, it wasn't looking good. And after that, I had to take some bloods, and after doing the bloods, I went to the Lancet labs. And yeah, so the dietitian, after evaluating and seeing the results and stuff, she drew up a meal plan for me. And so I am going to be starting the meal plan in the next couple of days. I just needed to get myself in check first and prepare myself mentally for this journey that I'm about to undertake. And as you can see, I'm about to go to gym, so I'm gonna try and mix the meal plan with the exercising. And I'm also planning to go off alcohol, so I'm not gonna consume alcohol. I think I'm just gonna stop drinking for like 3 months, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. I will try as much as I can to share this journey with you and see what in benefit, and perhaps you can also join me if you'd like, you know. So I went to the nutrition house, and I consulted with the dietitian. The nutrition house is in Sandton. Yeah, so I will share with you guys. I have to do a grocery list, I have to do a food journal, I have to go in for check-ins. I think I'm gonna have to do like 3 check-ins with my dietitian to see on the progress of the meal plan, if it's working or not, so that we can make the required adjustments. And then yeah, we will see from there. So yeah, that's basically where my head has been at during my silent areas. And I think I've just like a lot of things. I've been like very quiet, not interacting with friends, just because, and family as well, just because the only person I've been interacting with is my husband on a regular basis. And so yeah, what am I here to do, you know? Because what is my purpose? So I still don't know. If you wanted to know, I still don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out. So once I know, I will let you know. But yeah, let me just prepare this food and then get gymming, because yeah, I have to be out of the house very soon. Here's my meal plan with the times I'm supposed to be eating at, subject to be adjusted. And up here is the swap list of like protein, starch, veggies, and the likes. So yeah, let's do this. I think my class is gonna start in like a minute, but I'm like 3 minutes away, provided there's not much traffic. Oh, I think I'm gonna be late. Like I'll probably be like 5 minutes late for the class. But sometimes I've reached a point of like, you know, taking it easy. Usually if I would be missing, like I'd be running late, I'd be one to rush. But I am so content with being late that I'm like, you know what, it is what it is. And if I need to put in the extra hours, extra minutes, I will do so. So yeah, I've also lately I wanted to share that I do struggle from imposter syndrome and batabatlaring syndrome. So time and again I always have to remind myself that we're all trying to figure it out, you know. Life is not perfect, and we all are faced with challenges. And like, why should people say people will talk? Like, also people will talk, people will always talk, whether you're doing bad or good, like Rihanna said. So it is what it is, man. Sometimes I always have to remind myself that people will talk, whether you're doing bad or good. So like, you will never be able to achieve the things that you want to achieve, you know. And we all also start somewhere in life. So if you think that you are like you're not good to do something, I challenge you to actually bet on yourself and start, you know. So yeah, let's go exercise. So class yaka ifedile. It was the kick class that I attended. Luna Limbone doing my things. So I went and blow dried my hair because I get lazy to do so when I get home. After I shower, I prefer to shower at home. But sometimes I do shower by the gym when I need to use the sauna and the steam room. But today is not the day for that. It's late. So yeah, let me go home. It is Friday today, and yeah, I just had a workout while I attended the class, and I'm gonna work now, and then I can fade that. I'm having quite a hectic day today. Actually, it's gonna be a very hectic weekend. Hectic in the sense that I'm also gonna be traveling. So now, at least I closed my rings for the day, and then yeah, I'm gonna join my friends later on, go Scorpion Kings, and then tomorrow morning my husband and I are going home to my in-laws. We haven't been in a long time actually, so we're just gonna go check in and, you know, see if all is well. And yeah, I also have people coming to deep clean. It's that time of the year. Gonna go to spring cleaning. September's upon us. So now I have people coming over to deep clean my couch and my rugs. So yeah. cushions outside, and then she did this inside. Because I think it will be a problem if we were to do this outside, because we'll need manpower to take it back in.
No, so far we can't leave them outside.
What?
Oh, it's fine, we can clean them inside.
I don't know, how would you prefer?
I was thinking we take them outside, but anyway, it's gonna. Oh, it doesn't go all the way.
It does. No, that's like I need to.
Oh, yeah, I see. I thought we can go all the way, but it's
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
because this thing blocks it. Okay.
Oh, it's already.
Yeah, Kamoya block. We're taking Kenyaga today, you know, in this household because my helper is around as well. And Hobby Zikari couch, so it's just a mess. Also, not me realizing that I need to wax after I showered. I'm like, excuse me, miss. So now I have to, during my lunch, I need to go and wax because Scorpion Kings. Scorpion Kings forest. So I have to go wax during lunch and then come back, finish off, then get ready, and then yeah, go have fun. But yeah, I'm gonna dress very casual, guys, because like I'm not going to dinner, so I'm not even stressing much about what I'm gonna wear. Excuse the noise in the background because they're making a noise, and I'm sure my neighbors are annoyed by the sound of these machines because in myself I'm up to here. The carpet is looking very clean. I'm happy, especially mukuling white thing, very important. So yeah, guys, happy. My friends are a bit delayed from the station that they'll be boarding from, and yeah, I'm just gonna be letting a couple of trains pass me. Sorry I didn't show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing shorts. I'll try to find a mirror somewhere and show you. But yeah, this is my look. So I'm gonna be waiting for them to tell me which train they are, and then when they approach my station, then I will board. So yeah. Just an update. I got back from Scorpion Kings. I showered and we are hitting the road to Northwest. We are going home and I'm exhausted, but I'll sleep on the way. Yeah, it's been real. Scorpion Kings it was good to be with the company that I was with, but I'll share my thoughts properly when I am woke. For now, yeah, we're hitting the road, so let's go. Hey guys, yo, mavane akabuelelona at all. So yesterday, after I arrived from Scorpion Kings and we made our way home, we arrived here couple 8, because remember I told you guys I didn't sleep, and and then yeah, my husband and I just hit the road. Guys, when I got here I felt like a zombie, you understand? Like, I didn't even touch my phone at all. I only spoke with a friend over a phone call, and then after that I made breakfast for us and the family, and it was chai. I slept. No, before I slept, after what happened actually, immediately when we arrived, we had to go and mark the calves, like the baby cows, just to put a sign on them. But just so that we show who do they belong to. I'm actually behind the vegetable garden, my mother-in-law's vegetable garden. There's like spinach and beetroot behind me. I'll show you guys just now. Yeah, so after marking the calves, I came and made breakfast, and then after making breakfast I went to sleep because it was a long morning. These calves are very energetic and they are like, guys, farming isn't easy, hey? Like, what the heck? So we had to run around and chase one calf that had escaped and had to bring it in that time. I am exhausted to the core. So after I had breakfast, that's when it was like chai for me, and I was like, I keep badly, like I just want to sleep, which is what happened. I slept the whole day, almost the whole day actually. When I woke up, I spent time with family. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the vegetable garden. Yeah, no, yesterday Shamir was close to being non-existent because I did nothing. All I did was just recover from my sleep. I think some people thought that I still had the energy when I got here. I had a little bit, hence I was again with the cows and stuff. So after that, but anyway, like saying, the vegetables. So guys, kise spinach, guys, you know, kise spinach, and then beetroot, yeah, and then when there at the back is also some beetroot. I don't know what this is. I'll ask mother-in-law what that is. Apparently it has to be changed clothes because birds are smart, so they'll be able to recognize what I had so the same as daily for so long with the same clothes. So we made it back home safely. I'm feeling a bit fluish. Every time I go in hard or I just get worked up, I tend to easily fall sick. So I never learn, and I don't know why I never learn. But anyway, I'm just closing out this vlog. I'm about to also go on a diet, an extensive one. My diet is officially starting, so wish me luck, and thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.